I finally decided I was going to do something with these rather than just add them to the stash, the pieces I pulled out of that box yesterday. And so I've been sorting them by size. And I think what I finally decided is I can get a 2-inch square out of most of these pieces. And if I can get a 2-inch square, because I'm more apt to use pre-cuts than I am just stash. So I've been just sorting these by size. It's like a puzzle. And the other thing was I had these pieces of batiks that were in a small baggie. I've separated out the strips. I've got this one bigger piece that I'll add to stash. And these smaller pieces are just going to go in the crumb container. So what I'm doing today is I'm just going to sort these by size and see what I've got. Yeah. I don't know, maybe start. Okay, I do have a lot of triangles. Those are smaller triangles will go in that pile. Bigger triangles in that pile. This one is kind of shaped like that. Big triangles. So I do use a lot of pre-cuts. If you give me a stack of pre-cuts, I'll figure out something to make with them. If you give me a stack of scraps, I'm more apt to just make some kind of scrap, crumb quilt with them. And I have enough crumbs already, so I am trying to use things rather than just add them to stash. I guess there's small triangles over there. Oh, this looks big enough I can get a couple of squares out of. There's these weird arc-shaped pieces. More big triangles. A smaller rectangle. I think I get something that looks like that over there. This is a good sized piece, but that's still going to get chopped up. And these little pieces like this are going to end up in the stash bucket over there. The crumb container, rather. Where they put the little triangles. Smaller triangles. Crumb. Smaller triangles. Crumb. That's what I'm doing today. I'm going to get these sorted, and that'll give me some room where I can start folding some of the larger pieces that are in the bin.